Yes, me people, big up on yourself wherever you now watch from. Yeah man, today my location is in Mandeville. Yeah man, so guys, right now I'm going to give you a tour from Mandeville Hospital to Royal Flat. Alright my people, so I'm going to make the left turn here, going down Caledonia Road. Yeah man, the Seventh-day Adventist Church is over here on the left. The right turn down here can take you right back around to Main Street. The left over here is Midway Mall. We also have Island Grill over there, guys. If you want your nice food, yeah man, you can come and dine over there. You have Gumela Road here on the left. So guys, I am going straight ahead. Alright my people, going straight ahead guys. So we have Juicy Beef, we have Pizza Hut, we have KFC, we have Burger King. They're all over here on the left. The right turn at this stoplight here guys can take you all the way back up to Main Street in Mandeville town area. Over here on the right we have the Ruby's gas station. This left turn here, it can take you right back on the main road. The right over here is Brumalia Hardware, B-Mall Auto, sorry. B-Mall Auto for all your auto parts, brand new and used. So yes guys, I want to send a big shout out to all of my YouTube family and friends. Yes, Fifi's World, big up yourself. Chucking it JA. The right turn here will take you to Levy Lane. It will take you right back to the examination depot. Yeah man, and over here on the right you have the Knutsford Express. So guys, all of you who wants to go to the airport and who wants to travel to Kingston in style, the Knutsford Express is the one to take. Alright my people. Yeah man, so me a tour guys, me a tour Over here on the right you have the Power Service Company Limited. Galloway Road is on the left. Over here on the right guys is where the big thing in Mandeville happened the other day with Brown Man. Yeah man, big up yourself Brown Man, your pass and gone master, but that's how you go. So I'm going straight the left here. It can take you to Hanbury Drive or Hanbury Road. So yes my people, as me say, me did a big up my YouTube family them. Fire Raid, Maurice Kingpin, Chucky it JA, Lot 1 Boys. So I'm going to make the left turn here. The right turn can take you right back into Mandeville town area, Villa Road. The right here will take you right back to Clifton Heights. guys, while traveling on this road, you know guys, it's very slippery when rain fall, you know guys, so you have to take your time around the corners, toot your horns and all of those things. We are approaching Horseshoe Corner. Yeah man, this corner is shaped like a horseshoe. That's how it gets its name. So guys, I don't turn off anywhere, I continue. Straight ahead. Over here on the left we have Caledonia Meadows. Over here on the left we have the Excelsior Biscuit Company, Jamaica's favorite. We are at Grey Ground now, so we have the Grey Ground Seventh-day Adventist Church over here on the right, and we have the D&G Company over here on the right as well. Dennos and Geddes. Yeah man, guys, if you don't remember, no buckle soda them, you know man, with the cool cat writing or the cool cat on it. Yeah man. Grove Mount community is on the left, Heart East community is on the right. Guys, right now, trust me, one of them places, you know guys, it's not an easy place, you know. Yeah man, Grey Ground, Hearties and them places, guys. I know an easy community them here. The Manchester Infirmary is here on the left, you turn in that road there. The road is very bumpy, guys. Truck them make the road so bumpy, you know man. When them hitch the one gear, you know guys, it pulls back the asphalt on the road. over here on the right we have the Royal Flat Seventh-day Adventist Church. Right now I am at Royal Flat. Royal Flat can take you straight to Broadleaf, Comfort, all of those places. Russell Place is over here on the left. Have a community by the name of Russell Place. Yeah man, a well developed community, guys. Guys, always remember, when you see these signs on the road, that means school is nearby. So you must always take your time. Not set to take your time when school is in session, but all the time, guys, because anything can happen. We have the Macintosh Primary over here on the right. Russell Place Gardens is here on the left. Orchid Way is on the left. Settlement Boulevard is here on the right. Alright, my people, so we're going on our journey, go right to Williamsfield, you know, guys. One minute say we are stop at Royal Flat, but just a continue going a little sneak peek at the place, you know. Over here on the left, Russell Place Gardens. Over here on the right, Williamsfield Gardens, and on the left you have Wholesome Bakery. Alright, my people, so I'm coming down to the end of the video now. I am approaching the roundabout in Williamsfield. So here is where I will end my video. The first exit in this roundabout will take you right back to Mandeville. The second exit will take you right back to Kingston, all of those places. And the third exit will take you to Content and all of those places. Alright, my people, yeah man, so now big up on yourself, and thank you all for watching.